Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a long time since I've posted a test video. For that reason, today is test day. Take this test to find out what your English level is. This test has 6 levels, A1 to C2. Each level has 4 questions, and if you can answer all of the questions correctly, that means that your English level is higher than that level. Let's get started. Level A1, number 1. My sister, a doctor. The correct answer is B. Number 2. I, from France. The correct answer is A. Number 3. This is book. The correct answer is B. Number 4. The cat is the chair. The correct answer is A. Level A2, number 1. We, a new car last month. The correct answer is B. Number 2. She, to the movies every weekend. The correct answer is B. Number 3. My brother, football every Saturday. The correct answer is C. Number 4. Can you me your phone, please? The correct answer is A. Level B1, number 1. He is in learning new languages. The correct answer is B. Number 2. The movie was so that I fell asleep. The correct answer is A. Number 3. She, her keys at home this morning. The correct answer is C. Number 4. We, to the beach if the weather is nice. The correct answer is A. Level B2, number 1. She is about the new job opportunity. The correct answer is B. Number 2. I wish I more time to finish the project. The correct answer is D. Number 3. The concert was cancelled. The bad weather. The correct answer is B. Number 4. She in Paris for 5 years before moving to London. The correct answer is A. Level C1, number 1. The scientists conducted a study on climate change. The correct answer is A. Number 2. She is to be one of the leading experts in the field? The correct answer is D. Number 3. The government needs to implement policies to address the economic challenges. The correct answer is A. Number 4. The author is known for his writing style. The correct answer is A. Level C2, number 1. The orchestra performed with precision. The correct answer is D. Number 2. The CEO delivered a speech at the annual conference. The correct answer is C. Number 3. The negotiations were conducted with attention to detail. The correct answer is D. Number 4. The professor is known for her knowledge in the field of astrophysics. The correct answer is B. Okay, you guys, so that's the test. Let me know in the comments what level your English is.